time to wake up with Heads Up from the Highlands Group. And this week we want to draw your attention to the largest organ in our bodies, our skin. As we age, our skin demands more nutrients to repair itself, and the most efficient way to provide this nutrition is using topical applications specifically designed in a bioavailable form that can be absorbed and utilized by our skin cells without causing inflammation. Featuring Alevamine, a proprietary blend of nutrients targeted for skin cells, Remedy Skin Repair Cream from Medline helps protect and relieve damage related to frequent hand washing, such as dryness, cracked, inflamed, reddened, and itchy skin. Also CHG and latex friendly, Remedy Skin Repair Cream has been tested to be non-sensitizing and non-allergenic. Healthcare workers use Remedy Skin Repair Cream regularly, since frequent glove use leads to dry, chafed hands. Speak to your Highlands Group account manager for more information and view the bottom of your email for product number and wholesaler links. Treat your customers to healthy, happy skin. Introduce them to Medline's Remedy Skin Repair Cream today. Thank you for taking a moment of your morning to listen to Wake Up with Heads Up. Simply reply back with the code Remedy Skin Repair Cream for your chance to win one of $5 Starbucks gift cards. Again, that's Remedy Skin Repair Cream. Thank you and have a wonderful week.